I'm very close today, aren't I? This is fine. Hello! Oh, good, it didn't trigger. I didn't realize I said that, and it might have triggered. Hello, yes. This is Briony Smith live in the Forbidden Library, and today... It's Game Dev Day. It's Game Dev Day. It's Game Dev Day. As we were last week, we're working on our clicker game, where we click things, we adventure, we sell our loot, sign about Chase, rude. And things. Hello everyone! Hello Neo Red, hello Lucas, hello Chopstick, hello Swiney, hello Maxwell. Your vengeance, you are the weeb, you are Japanese Batman. Have you seen the manga about Superman enjoying Japanese food? It's wild. It's so funny. Literally, that's a whole plot of the manga. It's just Superman enjoying Japanese food. I fixed the bracket message that you messaged, Lucas, just so you know. But the rest, hello and welcome. I have done a little bit of playing around offline because I wanted to. As much as learning with you guys is fine. Must have. Working on GameMaker made my laptop crash many times. Oh no. Luckily, we're not doing anything too scary, and I can see why it would, because just watching the tutorial to get a message box up already triggered like an easily accidentally triggered loop that would just make things go forever. It's the whole frames thing with it redrawing every frame. It's so easy to fall into something that would make it just go on forever. Do I like JJK? Yeah, I like JJK. I'm not up to date on the manga though, so please don't spoil anything post-anime. Pretty, please. I've nearly had people around me do that before. I was in work at one point and I heard people talking about it. I was like, no! Shut up! Please! Luckily it wasn't customers, so I could talk to them like that. Anyway, let me show you the thing I did. So, you press your play button. Oh no! A thing happened! So, that's what we got. There's a character in a different anime named Sukuna Gojo. Oh, that's funny. That's a Kawinky Dinky. Or a Ness, or an on-purpose parody. One or the other. So what we need to do is we need to make this text bigger. So I'm going to make another font called... And we need to organize this a little bit. It's a bit of a mess. So let's add some more files and things because otherwise I'm going to hate myself. So let's do a font file. So button font, crystal font, crystal number. We need to change that. It's not crystal number, is it? It's like the number font. Counter font? Counter font, I think, is good. Let's rename that so that's easier to deal with. Counter font. So that's that. Now we need an alert font. Panda's a corpse, isn't he, technically? So we got, I'm gonna make a folder for, I don't know. Maybe I should make a folder for phase 1. I don't know how to organize this yet. I know I needed fonts in here, that's for sure. Adventure number and, sell button, merch upgrade, cache number. Those two should have its things, have a box to go in. Create group will have numbers and buttons that make number go up. I know what it means. Are there class types in this game? What do you mean class types? It's a clicker game, so I don't know, not at the moment, if you mean classes as in classes of like mage knight kind of classes, do you mean? So that would be adventurer button, not the upgrade, adventurer number, cash number, and sell button. So those are like my base ones. Is there turn-based combat? No. No, there is not. Yet. There shouldn't be. I don't plan on any turn-based combat. There shouldn't be any combat. Really. But I do have something I'm going to need to have to figure out how to go around. But no, there's no class types in this game. It's more of a management game than it is an adventuring game. The idea is that you start your game, you're the only fool who's stupid enough to go into the chaotic areas that are called dungeons. You bring back precious items and gems. You sell the gems, you make a little money, and that is all we've got. What clicker game has turn-based combat? This one! No, this one doesn't have turn-based combat yet. I don't know. We can do what we want. We can mix genres. There's no limits to our creativity. But not yet. No. We barely have a clicker game going yet, so. Is there at least 5.2536 game in this game? No, I probably wouldn't say so. We are really in the basic bitch. We're not even to phase 2 yet. We're still in phase 1 of this game where you're a solo adventure with a merchant stall. That is all. We'll probably be trying to finish phase 1 code-wise today. In that I want to add some of these random event ideas you've got. Maybe haggling as a thing. I don't know if we're going to get that far, but I now have the pop-up. So now it's a case of adding in all that stuff. So, I think the best way to do that is scripts. Scripts are like functions in this, like methods and things we can call at any time, right? So, what we need is a collection of events. And then we need those events to have a random chance of occurring. There are some events that are going to need to occur due to plot, because there will be a plot. This clicker has a plot. But random events. Not just good events, bad events, events. So I think, like I said, I think this is something we could potentially do in scripts. I dislike that it gives you all these. Oh, wait a hot minute. There's a font folder here. These fonts should be in the bloody font folder. That's why. That's why I'm getting confused. Why is everything in my object folder when it should be in my font folder? I knew that. We learned. There we go. I learned a thing today. I learned there's a font folder. I'm gonna, can I duplicate one of the fonts? Yes. I'm gonna call this alert font. And then, no. Can I not? Alert font. Fint font. Hello, Double Hop, welcome. And I want this to be, the button font's really big. No, the counter fonts was really big. 35. This one is 12. So I want this to be like 20. I want it to be rather large. I want it to be like, oh no, shit happened. No, that's not the one I wanted. It's like this one. Blah, really big, really big, really big. So then I want to go to my text box and I want to make sure this is using alert font. Is that? Alert fint. It should have been called alert fint. Alert font. Font. There we go. That should fix that. Cool. Well, if you need any voice work in your game, eventually I'll be happy to provide. Yeah, I might, eventually. We will have characters and things. At least like, oh. I didn't spill a little bit of tea. It's fine. It didn't really go anywhere. It just kind of attacked me. That's what I get for It knows how much of its brother I have drank. It just needed to attack me. Ah! Oh no, a thing happened! That's still really small. There's alert font, right? Yeah, alert font. Save. That's too small. I don't like it. If it's an alert, it's like, oh no! You died! Or something. It's really tiny. I mean, unless my adventure button has overridden it somewhere. Overrode it. I don't know. Homo. Let's hope this time the dialogue matches the audio. Shh. There were times I did that on purpose for the record. It did attack me! I moved my mug, and then it sloshed around a little bit, and then it attacked me, and it like splooshed up at me. Yeah, so I did. I got mugged by T. Is this GTA 6? Oh, heck yeah. Have you seen how Look at this. This is what you could expect from the new GTA. This amazing clicking excitement where you could just keep clicking and numbers will go up. That's the new GTA 6. So yeah, and then that'll pop up. But that's not... Did it not say what about, like, I don't know, 30? Maybe I should just make it the counter font rather than make a new alert font. Just to make my life better. Set draw font, counter font! I just want it bigger! Peak, absolutely, yeah. This is the peak of all gameplay. 10. Yay! It's really big! That's what I like. I like big font and we cannot lie. So that was just testing if it will appear. Now I'd like to have it go to a list of events and pick one at random out of that list. So I'm gonna see if I can make a script for that. I've never really done this before, so function, we don't want it to be called script, we want to have this script called get alert, or something like that. And then we want, can we make, I want to make an array. Alert collection, no, we'll call it that. Does that work? And then can I just be like, alert 1. We can make this more complicated. Alert 2. And so on. Copy. There are times when GTA 5 honestly does feel like an idle game. Like waiting for your bunker supplies to be turned into firearms to sell. Then I'm just getting ahead of the curve here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so we know. And then we want to... How do we... I want to, like, return an alert if you call this function. Can we just do return? Does return work as a thing? No. Have I spelled it right? We can! Return alert collection dot... Can we do just a get random? Is that a thing we can do? Or can we do like random number between 0 and 6 and then get that ID from it? So like I'm gonna need to find out what the get random is for this. GameMaker to random number. Okay, so we can do alert ID equals random. So random's actually really easy. We just do random and we do, I assume 6. I assume it's between 1 and 10. So I might do 7 minus 1. So that way it might get 0 is the thing. Because arrays always start at 0 for their IDs. So you want to make sure you have a chance of getting 0 or you're never going to get alert 1. Return alert collection, and then we should be able to just do alert ID here, and that theoretically should give us one of these, theoretically. And then when we go to the adventure button and we go to the text, we should be able to just do get alert. And that should, theoretically, put the text in there. I don't know. We'll find out. Let's go. Da 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 da. It works! Holy shit. I wasn't confident, but I'm very glad that works. So that works very well. Because now we could make that a bit more complicated if we need to as well. That's very nice. Because we could have it expect some arguments and all that good stuff. Because it's going to be things like alerts that don't work in different phases. For example, there's going to be alerts that are... It works, jump scare. It's coding. I kind of expect everything to go wrong most of the time. There's going to be alerts that might not work. When you have a shop, if there's an alert that's specific to you having a merchant stall over a shop, it's not going to work. If there's an alert that is because one of your party members have done something, but you haven't hired any party members yet, that's not going to work. So there's going to be I'm going to need some nuance to the alert system, but that already works, so it's great. We also need to make a button on our text box which closes the text box. I'm not 100% sure what is that. So I assume we can do draw. Can we draw a button? Draw a button! Heck yeah! So what if we just do X? This isn't going to look good. We need to like actually put it somewhere. What does that need? X, Y. What is that? Oh, I found out a thing when I was looking this up. If I middle button on this, on like the files here, it brings up like the documentation here. So I can very specifically hop to that and get an explanation, which is very good. So that's fun. So what does that need? What does all this mean? The x coordinate of the left bottom. Okay, so that's just drawing the coordinates. And Boolean, whether true or whether button is up or down. So whether it's been clicked or not. So what would a basic bitch version of that look like? Does it have... Oh yeah, so this is a potential... Oh, and then mouse check button. So... This button will draw if pressed if the mouse button is held down. Okay. I'm gonna steal that. And then we're gonna edit to our thingy. So it will check if it's lowered down and then do that. And how do we assign what it's doing? Like when it is clicked, what it do? What it do? This will draw a button which will appear pressed if the left button is pressed down. Is there another like button assign? So button font, marker button, button parent, cell button. I really like that the like just a big list of things that have button in appear, so you can like check on what's going on. Oh, so it does that. So I could like so then we go into the event and we go left pressed. We don't want it held down, we want it like left pressed rather than global left press, left release, left press. I think it would be that. I mean, just imagine starting the game to see a random pop-up saying, Steve has been caught stealing from the fish market. Your whole body has been placed under suspicion. Yeah, exactly. It'd be really weird. Yes, I remember Booleans. I went to college as a computer science major. Then I changed to a minor. Then I straight up dropped. It was too hard. That's fair. I went through the whole thing. I have a computer science degree. So I vaguely know what I'm doing. Vaguely. So if left button is pressed, we want it to close the window. Like destroy the instance, I believe. Copy, create, destroy. Is it destroy? Is destroy the whole thing? Like, we want text box to disappear. I vaguely remember the tutorial I watched did have that. I'm gonna very quickly find that again. You may hear a lady's voice in a bit while I double check the video that I watched before to help me get to this point. If anyone is interested, I can put a link in the Discord. Probably will anyway, just because I think it's polite if I'm using their stuff for my streams. All text boxes, here we go. Oh no, I've got it muted, it's fine. Text box setup. Just getting to it. Ugh, I might have to bring it over here, because I can't see on that monitor. My second monitor is really small, by the way. Also, this is terrible quality. Can I? No, I don't want. I would like. I need quality I can read, please. Instance create, instance destroy. That's what. Yeah. So it is instance destroy. Instance destroy. The ID we're gonna use is instance destroy text. This one. What does she put in her instance destroy? OJ text box. So yes, she just puts this. So it's just delete this. OJ text box, and that should, if it loads with a button, close the window basically. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got alert 5. Oh, the button's already always up all the way up here for some reason. And it doesn't work. Yay. Oh, gotta get ready for your class. It's nice chatting. Well, thank you for coming, Oinkity. Appreciate it. Have a lovely day in class. I hope you get everything and it's all easy. And you ace everything you do. Yeah. Okay, so that didn't work. Don't like that. Not even going for the 480 Notepad Hypercam tutorials. How else are you meant to learn? Learning the way that we're supposed to. I just want to make the text box go away. So maybe that's not the left press that we want. What is the button for left press? EV, consistent mouth button. Well, let's just put that one in. Maybe it'll work with that. Okay. Might have been that. You could see it clicking at least. I'd like to see if it's even getting to this point. If the lady didn't have an Indian accent, how can you just... She did not have an Indian accent. It's true. So like what's I want to go to the button. I want to show a debug message to show that I'm actually clicking this button and see if it's actually working to click the button. So I want to go text. Oh wait. Do I need to? Well, let's just do this first. Button is here. Yes. Descriptive. Let's go. Button. No, so it's not actually triggering that at the moment. Hi, Blow Chips, welcome. So it's not getting to this left pressed at all. So there's no point in this existing. Go away. Delete. So I'm thinking, maybe it needs to be what's here. So I need to have another thing here. Would instance destroy work here? I'm making a clicker game, a kind of a clicker management game where you're the only guy in the town who thought about who's crazy enough to go into the dungeon. Then you get some nice things, and then you sell those nice things. Text box, and I'm just trying to do an alert at the moment. So when you've done a little bit, you can have like random events happen. So I'm just trying to get it to work. That is not working. What are you expecting? Ahaha! Okay, yeah, another bracket. We were missing another bracket. We're fine. Figured it out. It's always them damn brackets. Oh, what is going? You can see the randoms working at least. Yep, that's how it's supposed to work. I love it. So silly. Okay, so that's not exactly right. It's happening each time. Like I said, the draw button. It's not very good explanation. Up, button, down. Yes. So we've got the coordinates of the button, whether the button is up, true, or down, false. So is it more a case? So it should be. This is correct way to draw the button, but I want to. How do I hook into the button to do the thing? That's the question. Oh, do I have to put it in a method like close button equals that? Does that like return whether, and then I'm gonna show another debug, because debugging is glorious. We can figure out so much from a debug, because if we just throw that in there, I can see what close button is. I can see if draw button is easy, instance variable close button declared outside of create event, declared with var move to create event. Okay, yeah, so I'll do that. Okay, we'll move it to the create event just so I know. Yeah. And then theoretically we should see, like I said, what that returns. Unidentified. Wonderful. Boo. So we don't know what close button is. Close button is absolutely unidentified. So how do we hook in? I'm gonna have to do some research again. How does one button? Unless I draw a sprite object instead, and then I don't know. Let's try that. Let's make a new sprite. Just as a new, not script. That was not the button I wanted. Delete. I would like a sprite. I would like this sprite to be pink. I think that's the best color today. Just pink. We don't need anything else. Then I would like an object called close button. It's gotta be pink. Pink sprite. Mouse left pressed. We would like it to destroy. Instance destroy. Instance domination. Destroy. OJ text box. And then in the text box, instead of drawing a button, can we draw an object? And draw a sprite. You can draw a sprite extended. No, so we can draw sprites, we can't draw objects onto it. We're gonna have to do some Googling. Is there any way to draw button? Because there has to be a way to event perform. No, that's not right. Let's draw with a semicolon. There has to be an extended thing that isn't just this. Otherwise, like, what's the point? What's the point in drawing a button if you can't hook into it? There has to be a way to hook into it. Event perform. Event. Perform. Button. Mouse button. No, that's not right. So what does event perform do? What's that? The function will perform code in a specified event. So event to destroy, all that good stuff. Draw event. Ah, so it can just hook into all the draw events. But it doesn't say anything about the draw button event. Draw button. Buttons are scary, band pants, indubitably. Button event. Took me ages to figure out. I'm glad it's not just me. Draw a custom button with hot or pressed state. Clickable button for a GUI. How is a button one of the most complicated things in this fucking thing? Like, what should the button be able to do? It doesn't really matter. I just need buttons to appear and disappear. Name of the sprite index. So it's thinking about just like indexing it. Easy ways to create an object, then an event called mouse enter right here sprite index. I would like it to be in the text box, preferably. Preferably. Button on, button on. If button on. Other option is to create an event, which is what I was thinking, with button on as true. Oh god, why? Why is it like this? Why isn't there just like another bit in draw button? Is there a draw button extended or something that would... Why? Why is it like this? Why is a button like... What? Why is there not just like an extra bit here where you can just be like, oh, and also here's the function or the script I want it to do. That would be so simple. It's not simple though, is it? It's not simple. Boo. Okay. So I could always just have the sprite appear above. We could cheat. There's 100% way we could cheat in this. Completely cheat. What we could... I shouldn't do this. Fuck it. We're doing it. Okay. So what we can do, rather than do anything, we can have the close button. We make it not visible. We go into the rooms. We go into the alerts. We make another instance and we do this as alert buttons. We put this on the alert buttons about where we want it. So it's going to be like here. It shouldn't be visible though when we press it, hopefully. So when we go into maybe text box can like open it. So we don't do that. We don't do that. But we do set close button dot visible. It's capital C, that's why it's being confused. It shouldn't be capital C. That shouldn't be named like that. We should be better with our naming convention. OJ close button. Okay, that's better. Righto. So we're gonna go into our text box. Our text box is gonna go OJ close button dot visible equals true. Is that right? Is that right? Because that's what we're doing with these, aren't we? We're just setting them as visible. Let me check. Yeah, dot visible equals true. I might have just spelled visible wrong. That's entirely possible. Yes, I did. And then when we're doing the close button, we're gonna need to OJ close button dot visible equals false. So it disappears again. Let's see how that works. This is terrible. There's stuff called... Is there stuff called callback here? I have no idea. Okay, it exploded. What did it explode on? Mouse event for close button. Did I click it straight away? Was that the problem? Because it's kind of over the button. Yeah, if I click where it is. I need to make sure if it is not visible, don't fucking do it. Yep, need it as a quote. There we go. That should fix that. Yeah, I can click all around here now. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, kaboom. So, unknown drawer event. OJ text box. OJ text box line 5. What's going on in OJ text box line 5? Line 5 is the visibility of the close button. Why is that bad? Should it be in the create instead of the draw? Question mark? Now it's just in the create and adventure button 4. Adventure button 4, which... I don't know why that one doesn't like it. But then text box create 0. Doesn't like this at all. Line 6, sorry, and line 10. I read that wrong. Line 6, line 10 is the instance create. Which makes sense, because that's calling text box, which is having problems with this. So abort that, close that. So it doesn't like that. It doesn't like setting it as appearing when that happens. Can I just set it here? I'd rather not set it here, but if that's where it's going to have to be set, that's where it's going to have to be set. It doesn't make sense for it to go there. No, it doesn't like that either. Why does it not want to reveal this object? That is 10, isn't it? Yeah, that's 10. I just put it on. OJ close button dot visible equals true. Abort. Because it's just this. With a different name. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Capital. I had a capital T. Let's put this back where it's out. It's not shy. It's not shy. I was just an idiot. It had a capital T on true when it shouldn't have a capital T on true. That's why. It doesn't... It is kind of shy. It doesn't like bold T's. They want them to be kind of small. Just a tiny T's. Aha! Okay, it doesn't work there. Oh, because I have the same reason I have a capital F on false. Because I'm a dummy. It's always something silly like that, isn't it? Always something silly like that. God damn. We got that in the end though. So this should work. Yay! Kinda. I mean, you can see it in the back there. I don't know why destroy doesn't seem to actually destroy anything. It just throws it into the back of the screen. And that doesn't seem like a good thing. And you can see it coming up with random again. That needs to be obviously like in the text box a little bit. So we need to like, it's more like here, isn't it? Obviously we'll figure out pretty things at some other point. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my god, a thing happened! One more box down. Just, I know it's we're in early days. It's not gonna look pretty, but like, yeah, okay. I just want it to look like it's supposed to be there. Oh my god, a thing happened. Close. A thing happened. Close. Yeah, we won't be having a thing happen every time. Okay, that's fun. That works. Wonderful. I can't believe the button was so awkward. I cannot. I really cannot. Cannot. So let's put in some of these alerts to, you know, actually feckin' work. Let's try and make a functional alert. So what were the alert ideas you guys gave us? So injury from adventuring. Oh no, you got adventuring injured. So we go into the get alert. So, oh no, you got injured adventuring. You'll have to wait for it to heal. So if you get that one, we need to have some kind of set of variables that tells you what to do once you get that alert. So this alert is going to be block adventuring for 30 seconds. Let's have a what's going to be our overall things that a lot of these are going to trigger. So we've got things like blocking, selling, or adventuring for 30 seconds. Alerts for triggering alert. No, you can't have an alert for triggering alert. That's silly. Why would you have an alert for triggering alert? That makes no sense. You've got alerts that will... I mean, they're not alerts. They're like, oh no, something has happened. Alerts for doubling, selling, or adventuring for 30 seconds. Those are going to be the main ones, really. And then we'll have special ones, I guess. So what ones do we give? So thieves. So we've got ones for potentially taking away some of your money. Alerts that subtract from values. A speech alert, like hold it, you know, objection for face study. We won't be thinking about sound for a very long time. Speaking of which, we have nothing in the background, do we? I need to go find something. 1 second. Excuse me. Chill Sonic music. One of my favorites. Chill relaxing Sonic music volume 1. I want it to actually be like, yeah, this one. This one looks good. Beautiful. There we go. Probably we had did we have a silent stream? Yeah, we did. We had a silent stream. That's just sad. There we go. Music makes everything better. Okay. What else notes did we have? An ability demands concessions and consequences. So we're going to have some with choices. With choices. Those we might have to add later. That's a bit more complicated than we're ready for right now. Rich person paying too much. So that's the add or subtract again. So those are our main ones. So what we're going to do is we're going to add text equals that. Multi equals, so this one is, so this would be a false because it's not a multiplier one at all. Oh, maybe not yet. We'll do like, oh, so we need to make this an object of as well. So we'll do objects, and in here we'll do as text. We want it to be number. It's probably better words I can use. Affected is, this would be specifically the adventure number. Then we have, is it a multiplier? False. It is not a multiplier. Lowercase, 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 lowercase. We need to remember that. Is it a double? Is it a block? This one is true. It is a block. Is it a subtract? I'm gonna say a subtract value. We're just gonna put 0. So if it's a 0 subtract value, it's not a subtracting event. If it's a block event, then it will block one of the 2 buttons for 30 seconds. If it's a multi-event, the 2 buttons will have an extra multiplier applied for 30 seconds. And I know which button it's applied to because of the number affected. Theoretically. So let's go to text box. I think we might need potentially another script that's like it would be like word act on alert, execute alert, that's it. So it'll be on the close button probably, execute alert. So we'll need to pass whatever alert is picked to the close button. Maybe. Hello, Carl Johnson. Welcome. So we need to pass it to there. I'm trying to think the best way. So we have all our variables in here. Then they're gonna get passed up. The alert ID. So I need to make sure the text box, or at least in here, execute order 60, execute alert 66. So beget alert dot text. That way it's definitely getting the text box. Let's just do that first. Let's make sure making this into a object isn't exploding it first. It's exploding it. We knew. Okay, this is fine. So, subtract value it specifically doesn't like? It doesn't like it in the script. What have I done there? Does it, what doesn't it like? So subtract value that's fine. That should be okay, theoretically. Like, it could be a 0, right? It doesn't have to be... Is 0 not... Oh, so that should be true, not whatever I had. 0 should be fine. Do I need that on the end? I shouldn't need that on the end. Of course I broke it! You don't make things if you don't break things. Yeah, I thought so, I don't know why it doesn't like that specifically. Left press event object, adventure, variable, unknown object, subtract value. Not set before reading it. Why is it trying to read it? If I take away that, is it going to do the same to block? I need to know. Yes, it is. So all of these are just like, what are you doing? What are these variables? They are very confused. So maybe this isn't a thing. Correct format? Don't know. Don't know. We'll find out. So I would like to just wanna put that back. Put that shit back where it came from, but so help me. Yeah, it could be something wrong format. Yes, Bell Chips, there is the link to the books that I have written! That you requested! Let me have a look. GameMaker to array of objects. I mean, is it that? Is it could be? Is it because all of these are objects? So if I just take these out for now, is that why it's getting confused? Because I have an array with just like one thing in. I have an array with like a load of strings and then an object. That could be. How do I get into writing? I've just always liked writing. I couldn't really tell you a specific time when I never wrote. Yeah, same thing. It could just be that it doesn't like my getAlert.txt. It probably wants me to do like selected alert equals get alert, and then have like selected alert dot text. Okay, that might work. Let's go. Array of silly strings. Yay! It's not set before. I'm literally setting it. Interesting. Oh, I think I know what's going on. I think I've realized what's going on. Something really stupid is happening. I think. So I was getting the random and I wasn't getting 0 or 1. So it was like, you're not getting anything. You're not getting anything. Why? There's nothing there. There's nothing in that array that's above a 1. So it didn't know what the fuck it was getting. That's what, I'm pretty sure that's what's happening. No! That's not what's happening! Oh, no. I don't understand. I'm having Googles. How do we create an array of objects in GameMaker? Good question, Dragonfly. We want an array of objects. Object array 0. So it wants me to create the array separately, then create an instance. See, I'm using the word object wrong here. Oh no! Well, how would it? What do we? This is an object, though. How am I supposed to? Oh no! Oh no! We want an array of objects in like the traditional programming sense. First object plus 10, and that's a number. Arrays. I don't want an array with stuff in it. GameMaker objects array of values. I don't know. Maybe there's something better I can use than an array. Like, forget. I want to just keep track of values. So I can create an array. You can do it by doing the thing. I don't know. We're doing it in code, not in that drag and drop nonsense. Array functions. So can we make like a new array? Array create. Is that a whole thing we can do? Size and value. Okay. So that's specifically creating an array of a specific type and value. So the size for now is going to be like 3, and the value's going to be this. Nope. Look at all those lines! Lines on lines on lines on lines on lines. Any? Can we just have it be any? Like what this symbol is, capital A-N-E. Either that should be a bool, that should be a string. It bothers me that it doesn't say that. Test. And then we can do test.add. Or array. Add? How do we add stuff to it? That creates an array with everything that's in there in here, theoretically. Push for insert's the word thing I was looking for. But why does this not? Why does this not work? This would be so much simpler if this just worked. Because it doesn't work. Because it doesn't work. Maybe we should search like enemy value array. GameMaker 2. Okay. I would just like to know how to make like a range or an array of these. Scan plus specific object. No! How to assign an instance of an object to an array? Piss off cookies! Necessary cookies only! Oh shit! You just saw nothing. No, this isn't. Kind of curious if that works. No, I don't. Be really silly. We can't do case and switch. No, we can't be doing it at case and switch instead of an array. That's very silly. Do we have collections of stuff? I need to be able to do collections of GameMaker manual. How do arrays work? Array functions. Yeah, that's cool. There are a few associated use of arrays. Can I just do arrays in general? Okay, so dimensional arrays potentially is what I want. Before going into further, let's clarify what an array is. I know what an array is. Repeating stuff, my array, Steve, ba 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 ba. So that's got array with lots of stuff in. We want array with more complicated stuff in. Unless we're gonna put an array in an array, in an array in an array. We could do that. Deleting arrays, multi-dimensional arrays. Is that what we want? This is exactly what we want, a two-dimensional array. That's exactly what I'm trying to do. Look. But I'm giving them numbers, so I suppose I can't give them numbers. Is that the issue? I'm just gonna have to comment on it. Text. So that I know which is really shitty. Is that our problem? Button affected. Multi. Oh, it would be so much nicer if we could do it for the text. This one. Lock. And then should just be 0 at the end. Subtract value. We need to make sure we have commas on them all. Save that, copy that, save, go. It's still gonna explode, but it should, it says something different now, because I know I had that. I knew it wasn't gonna work completely, so it should do that. We should be able to go back to the text, not text box, it's adventure button. So text should be get alert, and then it should be 0, but the text is specifically. And theoretically that should work, and then we keep the values we have as well. I mean, the text doesn't fit in the box, but you know, it's an improvement. It's an improvement. We'll make the text box bigger. Oh no. Oh no. I would like it to be bigger. Oh, it's here. I would like it to be 400. There we go. That'll be a bit better. But that's good. We finally got that working. And now it has all those other values in as well. So that's wonderful. So now we can do something a bit more with it. But I need to figure out where it's gonna do all that. Where it's gonna like resolve alert. So I think, again, a script might be the best way to go. So we'll just do a general script called resolve alert. And it should take an alert. I think we're gonna need to take those separately. We'll need button affected. We'll need the whether it is multi, whether it is block, and subtract value. Okay. So if subtract value is greater than 0, do the thing. Else, if multi do the thing. Else, if block do the thing. Okay, so we have this. The only event we've got going on is a block event. So we should have it. The two things I think need to happen specifically. One, obviously we need to block any clicks to the adventure button as we can. So we're gonna potentially need in our OG game, I think we're gonna need another global here. So global dot adventure disabled equals, so currently it'd be as a standard it would be false, so adven disabled, and we want the same for profit too. So, and we'll need to add that to the adventuring button. It'll be like all this press, but you also shouldn't be able to press it. And adven and is not adven disabled. Oh, I should say global dot adven disabled. So then we should be able to go to the resolve alert and then go, we need some kind of timer. Time source expire, global, pause, stop frames, time source, units second. So let's see what is that? Let's have a look. Time source unit second. Use seconds of time. These constants are used. Time source create seconds. So because we're gonna need to wait like say 30 seconds. If you use frames, your time source will be dependent on a game frame. How did I do the alarm? Global.item click +1 and the alarm. So I can't really set an alarm in a script. So that's not as good. Alarm was easy. Script not so much. Creating a new time slot does not start it automatically. You must call time source start. So time source time source. I'm thinking maybe it shouldn't be. We've got another time source seconds after nearest game. Was there not like a create time source create? Did I need to create it? These constants are used in time source create and time source reconfigured to set units used for the time source's period and are returned by time source get units. If you use seconds, your time source will run independently from the game's frames. Hey bro, I just woke up from a nap. I just started at half 1. Woke up, your people screaming about getting into unis. I don't gaff about how happy they are. It's like, it's been like this for ages. It's a big deal when you're that age. It's a big, big deal. Big deal time. It's all the hard work paying off. They got a right to be happy. You can use BPM, beats per minute, as a unit by calling BPM 2 seconds. Time BPM 2 seconds. Okay. So, function that creates a time source, read time sources and an overview. Creating a new time source does not automatically. I just want to be able to, like, wait. Or count time. This is another thing that's, you know, weirdly complicated with this, that it's not that complicated in normal code. Normally in normal code you just be like, timer, 30 seconds, go, and then after 30 seconds do the thing. I've yelled at all of them to shut up twice. One of them said womp womp. Sounds like you're just grumpy and you need some more sleep, maiden. That sounds like the biggest problem for you right now. Nappy wappy, someone's grumpy, I need a nappy wappy. Same, though. I would like a nappy wappy. Okay. And I guess, let's try time source. Time source, create. Parent period units callback. I don't know what the parent is. Time source create. Do I have a, like, parent time source? The parent time source that controls the new time source. What is the parent time source? Can I have a X, there we go. Source, time source game. Okay, so we can just, oh, do we even need to do that? Could we do like time source game? And what does that do? What does this button do? You could use global time source or the game time source as a parent! Yes! For your custom time source. Can I not just use it as a thing? To be like, I want to use this? Can I just not use it as a thing on its own? Could you be like, global time source? Maybe not. Maybe not. So, we want this. For example, we want this instance to destroy itself 3000 frames later, the code, and it calls instance destroy. Okay. And then start it there. So what we need to do is time source game 3000. So I want time source seconds. I want it to be 30 seconds. And I would like it a callback. Does it have to have a callback? Can I just have it there? Fine. Callback. Don't stop. Da, 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 da. Can I have it outside of, but then it wouldn't get called. Can I visit global? Can I visit global? Can I visit, no. Can I? Adven block time source. So it'd be that, and then the callback would be something to unlock block again. So maybe we'd have to do another script for that, potentially. I don't want to have to do another script purely for it, but this would be unlock adventure, where we would set global dot advent disable to false. And then if we had this as a global, we take this, we go put it in our global bit up here. And then we have it called to what is apparently currently called script 3, which it should not be called script 3. And that should be an A. We don't do capitals here. Capitals scare us. So let's rename that to unlock adventure. Then we go back to game. We could do unlock adventure. Is what it should do at the end of the 30 seconds. Theoretically. Okay, so let's go back to our resolve alert. So this should now just do, what did it say? Time source start? Time source start, time source. Okay, so time source RCA start. And then the time source is global dot advent block time source. That should theoretically do what we want it to do. I also want to do one little extra sprite. That's just like a red block button or something. I want it to change the color or something like that, just to show me it's definitely working. So let's just create a new sprite, edit image. I want red. I'd like it a bit bigger, not quite that big. We'll just do a circle, and then we'll just do it there. Wonderful. We will take this sprite, go to the room, stick it on the adventure button. No, okay. No, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't want that. HelloGameFun.com circles! Yes, the circles of nope. That is what that is. The circle of nope. Do I want it as an object though? Maybe. Maybe I just want it though. Just like What instance did it want me to put on? Yeah, so I want this to be an asset. I'm going to rename this to nope. That's the nope layer. The layer that says you can't do things. So can I reveal an asset layer as visible and invisible? Set asset layer to visible. Maybe. So we want, this would be in the resolving of the alert. We would want asset layer. Barrier circle, yeah. Font, particle system, secret shader, spread. Maybe I should not do this. Maybe we should leave this for a minute. We should probably test what we've got so far. Make sure the time source is actually working as it's supposed to. Yeah, there we go. Time source callback must be a method or a function. It is a function. Unlock adventures are the function. Look, it's a function. Let's have a look, let's have a look, let's have a look. Unlock adventure. What does it look like here? My method. So is it not? Should it not have the brackets, maybe? Question mark? Okay, that's a different one. Mouse event, left press adventure button, global variable named adven disable index not set before reading it. It should be. Because it's here. Adven disabled as false. Let's have a look. I did spell it right, yes. Probably didn't spell it right. Okay. Okay, yeah, I didn't spell it right. Ah! Oh no! You're injured! Can I click it? Can I click it? I can click it. I shouldn't be able to click it. This is incorrect. Also, that is way too large. Why is it so big now? I need, yeah, it shouldn't do it, because adven disable should be... Wait, did I... I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. This is my own fault. I never actually set adven disable. Adven disabled equals true. Not capital true. There we go. I'm an idiot. I didn't actually set the disabled as true, therefore it didn't disable it. So I didn't know if it started it or not. No, I can still click it. I can still click it. That's... No. No. Incorrect. Is it even triggering? So let's go... Adventure button. I would like it to do global adven disabled. So I can see what it's doing, okay? See if it's actually going to false at all. Yeah, so it's not going to true. Because it's only if it's false should we be able to click. So that tells me resolve alert. Where are we calling resolve alert? Should I be calling resolve alert in here? Every time we get an alert, we should be resolving it, right? Maybe. Because that's probably an issue. I'm probably not even calling... I'm not calling it. I put the resolve alert in here, but I'm not triggering it. So, of course, it's not doing anything. So, let's... yeah, it can get alert. We should have resolve alert. Resolve alert. We need... Alert collection... Well, work was rougher than sandpaper and oh no, time to relax, a nice hot cup of me! I'm not a cup of anything. So this is the button affected, so that'll be 1. This is the multi, so that's 2. This is the block, so that's 3. And this is the subtract value, so that's 4. So that should trigger it this time. But before I do that, time to blast the asphalt of the road on your way home. Careful! Drive safe! Drive safe, drive safe, drive safe. Okay, try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it exploded. But what did you explode for this time? We exploded for resolve alert this time. That's not adventure. Variable index 4, out of range 2. Alert collection. Yeah, 4 is out of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 should be in there. Oh, no, 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 no. I just realized it should be... This should be 0, 0, 0, 0. And then it should be in the secondary bit 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what it should be. That's what it should be. Let's go. This should theoretically work. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It says 1 and it's not going up. Yay! So hopefully after 30 seconds, it should turn back. But then it should trigger again, I guess, because I haven't got it only triggering once now, but, you know. Yeah, I don't know if 30 seconds is gone. I should have set it to like 10, so that I know. But I don't know. I know nothing. Do you think it's been 30 seconds? Yeah, it's been 30 seconds. Yeah, I don't know if it's been 30 seconds. Click, 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 click. I don't know. I know it's gonna re-trigger regardless anyway. Because, yeah, I only want this to trigger once anyway. We only want a chance of it happening. We also never want it to happen more than once, so I'd probably say not more than once. I'd say maybe there needs to be a cooldown. Oh god, if there's a cooldown, that means I have to have another time source for a cooldown, don't I? Yay! I needed that stretch. I needed that. Okay, so if that's the case, then let's go into here. Let's add another time source for 5 seconds. And this is gonna be alert cooldown time source. The time source is just gonna... Both time sources are gonna be 5 seconds because I need this... I need to test this better. I don't know how I'm gonna trigger that though. I'm also gonna pull this out. I'm gonna just be like, no, I can't really. Alert. Just so I have alert. Testing. Because it's not gonna be here. We're gonna have maybe another script again that goes like select or like trigger alert. So what we want is alert triggered equals false. Basically, we have to speak logic sometimes to make it processable. We need to, if an alert has been triggered, then don't trigger an alert until 5 seconds. Basically, that way you don't get multiple alerts after clicking too fast. It's not as fun. You don't get spammed by anything. So, we need a way to find out if an alert has been triggered. Or is there a current alert? I suppose is a good way to put it. Maybe there needs to be an alert currently in progress. Still here, just munching on a sandwich. I hope it's a tasty sandwich. No worries. Lurking is welcome. You may do as you wish. So maybe we just need, instead of a cooldown, we just need a global called alert in progress. And that would be false by default. So if we do... we'd have to do it in unlock and in like resolve. So unlock adventure would also be global dot alert in progress equals false. So that would make it false again. Any resolve alert would, well, to be honest, get alert would be would make it true, wouldn't it? Because you're getting an alert, therefore an alert's in progress. Global dot alert in progress equals true. And then it's a case of if alert is not alert in global first. Global if global dot alert in progress, then do this. Put all my brackets in where they're supposed to go. Do some nice indentations to make it smart. So that way it shouldn't trigger again until the time is up. Okay, we got it, but we still can't press it. Still can't press it. Still can't press it. Aha, there we go, and it triggers again. Okay, that works. It's always triggering an alert at the moment, but that's the next thing to fix, is having a probability of it, not just it's always happening. I don't like that it keeps just shoving it to the back. I don't know what's going on there. I need to do some proper research on that. Just a rough day for normal size Phantom. So before we do that, I'm gonna go on a very quick BRB, and I will be back. like, hello. I have returned. Poor Baba. It's okay. You're home now. You're safe. Get a cup of tea and have some technical mumbo jumbo thrown in your face. So, the next port of call is to see if I can actually get that alert text working. The alert, it's peeing me off that the alert font is so big. So I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get this alert font in. I don't want it to be 30 though. It was like 20. 20's fine. And then hopefully that makes the alert font a little bit nicer to look at. Right, now we want it to be a random chance. A random chance that you get an alert. So what is our chance of getting an alert every click? You're going to be clicking a heck of a lot of times. So maybe one in 50, 1 in 100, something like that seems to be the most reasonable with how much you're going to be clicking in this game. Also, maybe it should more be a timed thing every second, because you're not always going to be clicking. Later on in the game, there's going to be like a thing. You're going to get stuff that's gonna be triggering it up for you, so you might be playing like more idly later on. You might not be clicking so much, so my alerts probably shouldn't work with clicking. At this phase it would, yes, but it wouldn't always be that way, so we need to future-proof ourselves. So we need to do a check. A random chance every second. A thing, as in a majig, indubitably. An absolute shenanigan contraption of a majig of a thing. So I need to figure out where that's going. Would it just be in here? So I don't know whether we should just set an alarm in the game here, like I've done in the adventure button. No, it wasn't the adventure. Adventure number. Adventure button. I like the draw. We added somewhere, didn't we? Adventure upgrade. That's it. So we had the left button pressed, and then it triggers an alarm. And then the alarm triggers, and then it does that. So that's what I kind of need to do for the general game. So we go into the game, we're gonna have, on the create, we're gonna create the alarm. I don't know what the 15 stands for. And then we're gonna create an event on that alarm. We're gonna copy what we did for the upgrade. Alarm 60. So I think that's what I need to do. Need to go in here. I think that should be 60. And then when the alarm triggers, we do a potential chance of an alert popping up. What is the chance of an alert popping up? So I think, again, like 1 in 50 would be good. So, random number between 1 and 50. If it's 50, get alert. So, random number equals random with random 50. If number is 50, get alert. And we'll take that out of the adventure button. get alert and set that as well. Well, it should be basically whatever's in here needs to go in that create there. And that's just alert box. Alert box. Is that right? Is that okay? Does it? Why do you not like this? Instant variable alert block must be declared outside of create event with var. Can I just put var here? Does that work? That works. Nice, that's fine. I'm happy to throw it in as a bar. This is fine. Let's see if that works then. I also need to go back to, not upgrade, sorry. We need to go back here. And I need to comment all of this out. We don't need this anymore. So the only way is it should happen randomly at any time. We should just be able to play and go la 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 la. I don't know if it'll actually trigger that. I think maybe I'll set it to 1 in 10. Just so I know. Maybe I could do a show debug on it just to show debug number. Just so I could see it happening, you know? Okay, go. Oh, it's showing it twice, but this is fine. It was 40.44. That's not right. So it's not triggering every time. Is it because I need that in here as well? Because it's like 60 frames per second. That's why the lot worked last time. Why is it doing decimal points? We're never gonna get a 50 if it's doing decimal points. What the fuck? Okay, we'll need to do what we did with the other one. We'll have to ceiling it or lower it. Why random number? Why? So we're gonna have to keep that in mind for when we do a random on the upgrade as well, because it needs to be a whole number. So I need, we did it on the numbers, didn't we? That was what we needed. So we'll go to object game. It was working the timer that time though, so that's good. We'll need to do, I think ceiling would be better though. And then number. Go. So it's just a little under, like, potentially 50. So play. 41, 46. So let's see if we can get a 50 randomly. If not, I will, like, so I'll take it down to 10. 20, 40, 10, 34. If you're wondering where I'm looking specifically, it's down here. In my outputs down here, this is where... Oh, we got a 49. That's very close. Oh no, it stopped. It stopped because I clicked off. Booey. I'll take it down to 10. I'll take it down to 10. 1 in 10. I just need to see it trigger. I need to see it trigger on a random roll. So 9. There we go, 10. Boom. Right, and now it's blocked, now it's blocked, now it's blocked, now it's back. And then the timer's just going again. And we got it again! Oh no! It's gone again. Timer's going again. Oh no! We got it again! Yeah, so 10 is a bit too close. Also, we shouldn't be able to do another alert if the other alert is going. We need to add that in. I don't know if it was... already, it wasn't taking that into account, was it? So we need to do that. I also need to raise it to the 30 seconds that I promised. So there's a few things to do. Close button is doing fine. Text button is fine. We don't need this anymore. Absolutely fine. Button parent, OG play, fine. Adventure button, we need item click. So we need this specifically in here. So if it's 10, we don't need it to be rolling numbers constantly if there is something already in play. So if we put a whole if around that, that should help with the optimization of it, because it stops it from doing something that it doesn't need to in that time. So that should be good. That should save that a little bit. We shouldn't need all this at all anymore. That can go back to being normal. And let's run it one more time. See if we can make it stop. See how that goes. 7, 8. Oh no! 10! Oh, and then it thing. Error. Alarm for object game. Oh, so that's this. This should be... I know what that is. Because what's actually triggering here is this. So this actually should go in the if statement. Because if the if statement isn't triggered, number doesn't exist, and it explodes. My debug message explodes. So we care not for my debug message exploding. So adventure, 9. So we got the 10. It stopped. Oh no. It's back again. We got a 10 again. It's just rolling 10s a lot. 6, 4, 5, 7, 4, 8, 2, 7, 10. Yeah, cool. That is working as intended, except for the fact it looks shit. I think I need to make my sprite smaller. Why is my sprite so... Oh, why is the width so long? Why is it not like, I don't know, 300? It was like 600 before. And then I want my width to be like 300. Sorry, not that. We want the apply button. Why did the width go so high? We don't want aspect ratios. Peace off. That's why it went so big. I want... It's like said 600. Apply. Fuck your aspect ratios. That's why it was going so icky. Oh no, oh no, you got injured adventure. You have to wait for it to heal. So we do need to, like I said, have that to the 30 seconds now. So that's in the game one. That's in the create here. So currently it's 5 seconds. So that can go up to 30. So you can't have any other things that are blocked if you have a 30-second timer going. So this would be profit block. How exciting! I'm very happy I got that sorted. So let's try do a couple of other random ones. Try get at least 3 going in. Market is closed today due to bad weather kind of shit. So let's do get alert. Let's do... Oh no! The market is closed today. Aspect ratio, more like aspect ratio. Oh my god. Due to bad weather. So this affects the... What did I say on the resolve? If button affected equals... We forgot. We had it doing that as a standard. If the button affected is the adventure button, then do this. Advent disabled is going to happen regardless, so that's going to happen there and there. And then we're going to have time for block source. Else we want to time source start global dot profit block time source, wrong brackets. There we go. And then we are gonna go, we need to, can I just make another function here? Oh. Unlock profits. Yeah, we can. Okay, global dot profits disabled equals false, and global dot alert in progress equals false. I did something wrong here. Advent disabled, actually no, should just be in adventure. If not, this one should be global dot profits disabled is true. So you can't sell anything for 30 seconds. I'd like to physically show them that timer as well. Have you tried the new code editor? No, I have no idea how to pull that up, Kyogiri. I didn't know that was a thing. Is it good? I think that should work. I am gonna put profits in here, just so I have a different one, but if it's not adventure, it's the other one. We only have two. So this is a block for it and a subtract value. So we've got one or the other. So let's see what happens. So rather than... we should do a random number between 1 and 2 minus 1, and then the alert ID is going to be here rather than should work. Okay. Let's see if that works. I did leave it at 10, didn't I? So we will have, like, triggers. Oh, kaboom. Resolve alert. Alarm event for alarm 0, object name. It is. Go to File, click Preferences, and look for Code Editor 2 Beta. You can enable it, but it does restart GameMaker. Might have to check it out next time then, because I don't really want to restart it for the stream. Resolve alert. So it's not seeing the selected alert. Oh, wait. I know how to do this. Because that's just a number. That's just a number. So what we need is, let's undo all that. Undo. What we need is alert ID in here. So it's the ID of the one we're randomly selecting and then sending the info across for that. And then alert ID here. Okay, go. That should fix it. Play. No, not quite. If button affected equals adventure. That's what it doesn't like. Variable unknown. It's right up there. Did I not spell it right? Yep, I just didn't spell it right. Oh, it's because I didn't put an extra T in here. I put like a single T, a button. It should be double T's, right? Buttons, double T. You know when you look at words too long? Anyway, this is fine. Oh no, you got into adventuring, you have to wait. One. Oh yeah, we added the actual 30 seconds this time, so we're actually waiting 30 seconds now before we can do anything else. I need to add it, I need to put it back to like 10, just for testing purposes. Is this really how long 30 seconds is? 30 seconds is so long. So how's your guys' day? Oh, there we go. Oh no, you were injured again. Yeah, I'm gonna go change those back down to No, we can't be having that in an OG play, OG game. So let's just 10 seconds. Okay, go. Yay! Oh no! Healing! We're only getting the one so far, and I don't know why that's just we're being unlucky. We might have to... Same one. I'm getting 10s constantly. I don't want 10s. It should be random. Maybe we're just being... Oh yeah, 4, 5, 7... Yeah, we're just being weirdly lucky with the 10s. So now it's going around 10. It's the same one. Sus. So it may not be working as expected. 3, 10. Yeah, it's the same one coming up every time. Not what I want. So let's go on the get alert. Hey, just because you're a 10. Aw, double size fathom, you flatterer. Let's do a debug here as well then. So let's go to alert. Not resolve, like get alert. I just want to see what alert ID we're getting. So if I can see we're just being unlucky. Hi Shrimpy, how's it going? We've had some roadblocks today, I won't lie, but you know, we're getting there. We've got it random rolling for stuff. Oh, for fuck's sake. For fuck's sake. What? I keep forgetting that we need to round the randoms because the randoms are stupid. And I need to keep sealing them, otherwise... Why does a random number generator have fucking... bloody decimals in? Who decided this was a good idea? Actually, no, we shouldn't be doing it there, because it might... We should do it in one place, so sealing the random... Renpy. Replace random with iRandom? Does that mean it says full? iRandom. Yes. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. There's somewhere else I need to do that as well then. iRandom. iRandom. I am the random. It's a stupid idea though. You can't deny it. Bri, can you add afterlife code? Player meets death and angel. Imagine it where the game is inverted. No, I won't. That's way too much stuff. And hello, Gregor Waffles, welcome. So, oh, akaboom. What happened here? I need to move this. We got a -1. Okay, maybe not -1. Can we get zeros? I want it to be 0 or 1, basically. Because I want it to get a random from this I want to get a random ID to pull out a random alert from... I know it's only 2 at the moment, but there'll be more alerts. That's the idea. So I want it to just be 1 or 2. 0 or 1 even. But I guess, does it automatically do 0 in the range? Suppose it must have if I got a -1. Okay, 9, 10. Oh no! If you want it to be 0 or 1, you can choose 0 or 1. Oh, so I can just like put in like 0 and 1 and that's it. That does? Oh, look. Sometimes you have to specify something other than Oh! I didn't know that was a thing. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Alright, play. So we got the 10. Oh no, you'll have to heal. Blah, 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 blah. So we can't adventure. Oh no. Oh no, for 10 seconds, and then we got the 0 again. I would like to see it get the 1. I just need to see it get the 1. 4, 5, 7, 10. Yay! You got the 1! I can test this now. Okay. Oh no, I can't sell crystals for a little while. Oh no, the market's closed. No, but I could because I didn't have any adventure money, but now I do. Okay, well now I can't adventure. Oh no. Oh no. Wood times 10, work, mod to work. So we'll get as many of these as we can. We're injured again. It's not much stuff, just you cannot add to regular game, make it like a pocket dimension with a plague trap. No! There's currently no way to die in this game, so. We're injured again. Come on! Just get the 1 often, does it? It's not very random, is it? It's flipping coins in it. I think it's limited to 12 values though. It should be alright. Once we've got a few things in the array, it shouldn't be as bad, but it's just because I've only got 1 or 2. We're injured adventuring again. I just need to make sure that adventuring button's not working when the adventuring one, the Sal Crystal ones come up. Come on, give me another 10. Give me another 10. Give me another roll. We can do it. Give me the one I want. 292. Another market is closed. I can test it. Shit. I shouldn't be able to sell things at the market. The market should be closed. I've missed something then. Oh, is it because in the sell? I realize what I've missed. Item clicked. And just because we can never have enough ands, global dot profit disabled. Done. It's not very random in it. Fun fact: GameMaker random number generator uses a number seed behind the scenes. So you'll always get the same random numbers on every run of the game. That's a bit pooey, but you know. I know computers have a big issue with random. PCs, anything, they're not good with the word random. Also, thank you for the follow, Grego. Appreciate it. Uh-oh, we're injured. Oh no. I need to get some adventure coins in so that I can, if we get the other one. Oh no. Fuck! Let me go, adventure! At game start, you can call randomize at start and make it generate a new seed. Ooh, I should definitely do that. It'd be a bit boring if we got the same stuff over again. Oh no, market is closed! There we go, it's working. I can't sell stuff when the market is closed. It's not reopened. I didn't read what that one did. Have I completely blocked it now? Yeah, I unlock adventure. We need to unlock profit disabled false, so it should have unlocked profits. I think I know what I've done here. Did I? Yes. Unlock the timer. Unlocked adventure, not profits. That's what we did. That's what we did. Okay, play. Get some adventure in there. Oh no, we're injured! Yeah, I'm gonna go put that randomize in at some point though. Oh no, injured! I think it helps that I already know quite a bit about coding and stuff. And I think because I'm always a little bit scared of doing a game where you actually physically control a character. Like menu stuff like this is absolutely fine. Because this is basically what I did at work. Because I was a business developer, so I mainly did like apps. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it works. Wonderful. I mainly did apps that people use in stores for like store management and stuff. So like my main thing that I worked on was, you know when you go around a shop and people have those handheld scanners? That was like the last thing I worked on before I quit. I'm the exact opposite. I hate UI development. I like UI development because I get to, you can see what you're doing. You can test it every 2 seconds. It's great. Although getting things to look particularly pixel perfect was hard. When clients would come to you with like very specific requirements, it was terrifying. Okay, so that works. Right, there's one other kind of alert we need to try. I would like to try the subtract value one. So this was going to be a thief steals from you thing. So let's add a new alert. And this one's oh no, a thief stole some of your stock. Oh no. Thief stole some of your stock. Stock. And our subtract value is going to be 10. And it is not a block, it's a false. Nice. We will add a 2 to here. That's a bit that I don't like. I'm working on a game I hope to sell commercially and making it scale to... Oh my god, yes. There's a lot of like nice UI things that help with that, but I'm terrified of trying to make it work for this. I'm trying to learn programming language that's heavily used in programming audio reactive visuals. Ooh! So I get that's like a Java scripting kind of language more than it is like a C# kind of thing, more of a Java thing, I imagine. JavaScript, I should say, not Java. That sounds like a fascinating thing to be working with. Very excited. So resolve alert if it is over thingy. So we need to go if button affected is adventure. then we want it to be taken from adventure. So we'd want global dot item clicked minus subtract value. Else and if it's not, oh, I forgot to close that. That's why that's complaining at me. It's a pixel game I'm developing it with an internal resolution of 360p because it can scale evenly to 220, 1080, and damn! Very smart, very smart. I don't know much about that side of things. I'm gonna have to learn more when I actually like get serious about the UI of this, when it's not just like colored blocks. Global, not profits disabled. Should be like profit, not multiplier. What's the name of my actual? I need to rename some variables, evidently. Generally just profits. Okie dokie. Okay dokie. Profits equal minus. Is it minus equals or equal minus? Subtract value. So it should just take 10 from it, regardless. I don't know if that can put you into debt. Maybe you should die. Oh no, you got injured adventuring. Fuck! Oh. Oh no, a thief stole my stock! So it doesn't go into minus, by the looks of things. Maybe. Hello, Electric Bob, welcome. Can we have another 10? No, it's not going anymore. Yeah, it stops going. I'm also going to put that randomize at the start of the game that you said. If we do it just in a create here, can we just go randomize? Randomize! I want it to be different every time. That's more fun. Entering the main loop. Oh no, the market is closed. Let's adventure. When can I sell crystals again? When can I sell crystals again? I wanna... Oh no, I'm injured from adventuring. I can just see that the character, they're injured from adventuring, so they got like a broken arm at the market stall. Okay, we need to see if we get that thief one, if that works. Oh no, a thief stole my stock! Didn't work. The number didn't go down. Or did it? Or did the wrong number go down? Wait a minute. Yeah, I did profit. Or again, is it supposed to be minus? Could have got that the wrong way around. That's entirely possible. Go! Okay. Red back. Oh, thank you. Oh no, a thief stole some of my stock, but I didn't have any stock to begin with. Maybe this doesn't go to... I don't believe that it doesn't just go into minus numbers, you know. I don't believe that. Why is my ticker not ticking anymore? I'm confused. Okay, go. Get some stuff, sell some stuff, so I have stuff. Oh no, the market is closed. Suppose I'll just go into the adventuring. Why? Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. It's ticking again. Wait, I know. A thief stole my stock. didn't seem to happen. But I also realized that I don't have the you can do another alert re-triggering again, because that's what that happens here. So we need to put in progress again. Potentially after the close button? Maybe it should be... I don't want to put another timer on there. That's a lot of time sources. But I can't really see another good way to do it other than letting an alert happen right away. I mean, let's throw it at the bottom here, at least. I don't know. Let's see how it goes, I guess. Still not working for some reason. Let's adventure! And then sell stuff! So I have 10. Oh no, we're injured! Oh no! 1 1 1 1 5 2 3 2 8 8 9. This one's a stingy seed. Oh, then a thief still stopped. Yeah, it didn't work. But we can at least, you know, do everything we could before. And it should be able to give us another one that's, like, not in progress now. That's why the ticker stopped, if I remember correctly. No? Ha? Ha? Is it not getting into here? It's not, because I said less than, not greater than. It's always something simple. That's why. That's what was happening. Okay, this should work now. Let's quickly try to get 10. Yeah. Can we get into debt? What's going to happen if we get into debt? I don't know. I haven't decided what happens if you go into debt. Also, we had 10 and we've gone straight to negative 10. We had 10. We've got to work our way out of debt. And now, but the market is closed. We can't work our way out of debt if the market is closed. Oh no, we're injured! This is chaotic with the timers so low. It will not... yeah, I think he might have took 20. I think he did. I don't know why he did, but he did. I don't know how he did. Because we definitely had 10, didn't we? Subtract a value. Did I accidentally... Yeah, I said 10. 10 is definitely the subtract value. Okay, let's try this again. Yeah, okay. He definitely took 10 that time. Quickly! No! No! The box is closed! You had a wizard teleport your entire stash to them. What a jackass! There we go. There we go. We're in bigger numbers now. This is fine. This is fine. Okay, that happened. Yeah, yeah. It seems to be working now. Fuck off, thief! Fuck off! It's really chaotic now. I love it. This is not indicative of the final product. That much is for sure, but it's hilarious. Yes, yes. Maybe that's what it should be. Maybe it should be a clicker on steroids. Chaos straight away. Click fast, bitch. Get a wizard. Oh, it looks like the mob found you. Real shame. You're in so far in debt. Nobody will notice if we bumped you off. Yeah, I think there's gonna have to be a fail state of some kind if you get too far into debt. Or maybe we just don't let you go under 0. I don't know. I don't know. I hadn't thought this far ahead. Probably should have. Clicker games don't normally take from you like this, so I didn't really think about it. But here we are. Let's have a think about it. So if we have a fail state, maybe we lose. Maybe you can get a loan. You have to pay it off later. Oh no, you're minus so-and-so. If you'll have to get a loan, and pay it back later. And then if you can't, but then I have a death state, and I don't really have a plan for a death state in a clicker game. Oh no, maybe I just don't let it go on to 0. Right, for now, I'm gonna put that in the notes. I'm gonna put that in the notes. We've got the random events working. We need to like a message box for the story flavor. That'll be the next thing we do. But what happens if we run out of money? Theoretically, you shouldn't do that. There's a chance of it, because it's random chance, but if I set everything to the numbers it should be, there should be a very low chance of it happening. So, I don't really think about this, because these should be 30 seconds long, technically. Not 40, 30. And then my alarm is currently at 10, and I was going to set that at 50. So you have... And also I can do the sort of eye random here as well, because I was doing ceiling again here. So it's a 1 in 50 chance. This is the reality of what the game should look like. She was playing going, oh yeah, I'm adventuring, it's great. Oh, I'll sell some of my adventuring stuff. This is great. Yay, adventuring and clicking things. Oh my, there's upgrades. I should use those upgrades, but I need to make sure I click enough to do so. That kind of thing. Maybe that happens when you're broken and injured. There's a joke in here. In the States. A doctor says, I'm sorry. You have a week to live and $100 to pay. Yeah, $100 to pay. The patient says, "I'm sorry, I'm broke till payday," and the doctor says, "Okay, I'll give you another week." That's terrible. America. Maybe that'll happen when you're broken and injured. So like they should be a little rarer. Oh no! See, now we've got one. Close it. Oh no, I guess we'll just adventure for a while. We can't sell anything. So let's just play for a little like this. See how we go. I just want to get a feel for the number. Like, would it be better if I took it down to 25? Because we'd be more likely to see stuff. Okay, so the 30 seconds is just worn off there, I can see. I do need an indicator for that. I'm going to make a very quick note after this. To make sure I... Yeah, I don't know whether it should go down to 25. This is a bit too easy. Oh, we nearly got our shop. Nearly. Not quite. How many do we need for the shop? We got the shop working last time. Yay, we got a shop! And we're only getting one at the moment. We only got one event in this whole sort of chill out time. Yeah, the event should be a bit more. Not quite 10, that's too much. So let's put it to 25. And that might be a better. I mean, this is basically the healthcare system simulator. Nah, I mean, he's not having money taken away from him for being sick. This is better than the American healthcare system. Go up to 50. Click, click, click. Oh. Not yet. And the music playing right now is the Sonic Chill Mix Volume 1. Oh no, the market is closed. Okay, still locked, still locked, still locked. We've got a whole 30 seconds for the locking now still, so I don't know if I'll show them that again. I don't know whether it'll trigger again, because the timer always kind of stopped when I went off. Anyway, I need to... What was it I needed to do? Oh, lordy. What was it? What was it? There was something else I needed to do. Oh, the timers! We need to show the timers on the... Show timer on screen for lock. Just the user needs to. I need to see how long I've got left, let alone the bloody user. So if that's the case, we'll probably need 2 more objects for alert stuff. So we'll put it in here. We'll create an object called OJ Adven Lock Time. We would like to draw. This is going to be similar to the button numbers, so something like these. Draw set font, draw text, this. This. So I assume what I'll be able to do. So draw text, cut font, draw text, T! Heck yeah. Hang on, I got the yarn out the way. Thank you, Tea Fairy, you're the best. Yay, tea delivery. Yum. Okay. Get my guy on my way. Okay. So we need this to be. I'm sure there's a way to get the so be time source. How do we get time source position? Would that be the right one maybe? Let's have a look. Time source position returns the floating point value. That's, yeah. I think. This looks about right. So, we'll need time source. Oh. I literally had it a second ago. We literally had it a second ago. Why did I try type it when I could do, you know, everyone's favorite copy and paste? Timeline? Timeline's not right, is it? Timeline? That's not what I want. That's not the right one. Yeah, we want time source, not timeline. I need to be able to time source. Time source by scenarios, global, inactive, initial, maybe? Pause, stop, frames, units, second. So would that just like display it? That just sets it to units. Get units. That's what we want. Time source get units. So rather than this, we need to be time source. Time source get periods. Get state. Get units. And the time source for this one, if it's the advent one, would be global dot advent block time source. And then we'll need to drag that onto the room somewhere. So for this is for this one especially, so I'll need to get that, I don't know, on instances 1 or something. I think that where I want it needs to be higher up though. Or maybe lower down. I don't know. Somewhere. So let's go. Let's see if that'll appear when I have it. So it should just be a 0 or something. I need a 25. So, like I said, the vibe, it should be a little bit easier to get an alert, but not as terrifying as before. Oh no! Into adventuring! Where did it go? Boo. Can't see it. On tiles? It shouldn't be on tiles, right? Maybe I need to put it on alerts. Why is it so small? Oh, there we go. It was behind the button. I knew it was behind something, and that was why. Oh, gee, it needs to be above the button. Well, we'll put it over there for now. I can't see it otherwise. Don't know if it works. Give us a 25. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Got 50. So you can go quite far without ever getting it. Oh! Got Indian adventuring! No, it's not there. It's not there. Do I need to trigger it to be visible? It should be like this. Not that one. Number. Do I need it in draw GUI as well? Does it need to be both? Maybe. I don't know really. The difference has been explained. But I still don't know if I get it. The fact that there's no 0 here already kinda makes me think it might not exist. Oh no, the market is closed. That's not what I wanted, but oh well. We live with that. I guess I'm just sitting here for a little while then. Till that 30 seconds is up. can sell again. Yay! If we can go up to 100, then I can get both upgrades. Boop, boop. Didn't work. What am I missing? Oh, probably visible. Probably that. Probably that. Yeah, probably that. I'm not setting it to visible anytime, so like, of course it's not visible. Oh, I'm so smart. Have the biggest brain. Oh, it's visible twice. It's fine. This is fine. That shouldn't be that. That shouldn't be tied to that. That's silly. Why is that happening? Oh, because that's the adventure number. I need no, this one. Oh, because I did that. I don't need that. That's fine. That's that. I didn't actually need the draw GUI, I just got confused as what I was doing. So what I do kind of need to do then is I probably should set it as invisible. And then in my get alert, no, it should be in the resolve alert. If adventure, I should also set OJ adven lock time dot viz equals true. I'm spelling visible wrong. How do I spell visible? I don't know how to spell, bro. V-I-S-I. It's not visable. It's visible. And then once it's done, after we unlock adventure, we should set it back to false. Da da da. Okay. Let's see how we go. Oh no! Fuck that thief! You put me in debt again! The dick. I think a little bit of debt should be okay. Like a -10 is pretty easy to fix. If you get into something stupid, maybe like -10, it's like, oh no, you in debt. Oh. So it appears, but it's not changing the number up. We're not getting like the actual value going. So how do we get it to update with the actual value of the time going down? But it's drawing, so that's good. Is there another time source thing we should be using? Maybe it's not get units. Function returns the unit set given. So it returns the unit set, so it's returning that it does ID, so that's not quite right either. So time source get. So what have we got? Children, parent, period, reps complete, reps remaining? Probably time remaining. That's probably the one. That's probably the kicker. So let's have a look. Try get that again. At least it was visible, so that was good. We should definitely change the text, the button, the number to red. So, like, oh no, you can't do that. I want 100. Boop, boop. Again, we've gotten quite far without getting an alert yet. Oh, market is closed today. Oh no, that's terrible. That's not the alert, that's not the one I wanted. I should probably think about another room as well, because we might need like more stuff. But that's Future's problem. Can I sell stuff yet? No. No, can't sell stuff. Oh, we can sell stuff again. Yeah. Gotta hope we get the alert I need. Pretty please alert I need. La 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 la. It's always best to go for this side. I'm figuring out my own meta. Oh, market is closed due to bad weather. It didn't. No, that's the market again. Fuck! I'm getting the wrong one. Game. Game. Could also have more painful events after a point of safety, like company buys the hospital, hope we can afford being sick. Yeah, we can have things like that. I've said the oh fuck, thief stole my stock. Wonderful. I've said market is fuck. In the thing for the events, I might put a variable for phase in there, because this is phase 1. Or maybe like an any phase. So 0 would be any phase. You're okay to use this alert regardless of what phase you're in the game. Then 1 if it's specifically for this phase where you have a market stall. Because when you have a shop, the weather's not gonna... The market closing doesn't really affect you if you have your own storefront. So that doesn't matter. So eventually it'll get to that point where it doesn't really matter if you have a storefront. So that wouldn't be relevant after you've bought a store, kind of thing. So there's definitely going to be... Fuck's Why is my own game fucking me over today? Question for anyone in the chat who knows this engine better than I do. Is there any particular reason that destroy instance is just throwing it into the back there and just throwing everything forward and not just deleting it? I'm very confused about this. Fuck! I'm restarting. Fuck this shit. We're never gonna get the one I need. I'll just have to force it if it's like that for too long. We'll just have to force it. You can even link phases together, call it something like phase connect. Nah, I'm not catch on. Definitely not. Definitely not. Who would even phase connect? God. Oh, for fuck's sake. Stop closing the market and injure me already! Why is random like this? Why? I didn't know I'd managed to program Desire Sense. You missed the question. You know, like when these dialogue boxes things that I made, I do destroy instance on them and they're just going to the back there rather than, you know, deleting. Is there a particular reason that happens? What is destroy instance actually doing? Why is it just there? Like, my other room is back there, too. Finally! Oh, it's working! Yes! Finally! The sky god has been angered. The end times are upon us. The closing market was the first sign of the fate of the world will suffer soon. Oh, I think I know what's going on. There's more than one instance of a message box. Oh. I destroy all the instances of it, not just the one instance of it, I guess. But that's wonderful, that's working. Okay, so if that's the case, so we'll need another one. We'll have a look into that one separately. I want to just make sure I get the timer in for the other one. So you want another object. Oh, what this one called? OJ profit lock time. We want it to be basically exactly the same as this on its draw step. When you reference an instance by object name, if multiple instances exist, it will target the most recently created. Okay. Profit block time source. Okay. So now they both... Nope, they can't both have a timer. I need to drag this onto the screen first, so... we need to assets. Profit lock time, so I'll put that one about there. Let's make it big just because... don't want it like that, just want it there. There we go. Cool. It's not what you want to do. You need to devise a system for getting a specific ID numbers for the instance you want. Okie dokie. That should be hidden. And then it should be in resolve alert. We should have that. Except it should be profit. I will try fix that after I've done this. And then in the unlock, we should have that. But profit. Right, we'll get this working and then I will try fix that as well, because just for the future. Although we are getting close to the end of stream now. Da, 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 da. And now we wait. Oh no, we're injured from adventuring. Well, at least I know that timer works. That's wonderful. Got quite a lot done today, really. So we got the alert boxes going up. We got it randomized on the alert boxes. We have the alert boxes doing different actions depending on what alert is triggered. Very good stuff. Very good stuff. Proud of us. Yep, then we wait again, see if the next alert gets triggered. I'd like to see this. This is where we're gonna get the injured one constantly now. We can't be doing that. But I'm gonna. Well, I'm gonna make a note of what you said, Shrimpy, on my notes for next time. Or maybe that's something I can even do off stream, fixing that. To be honest, it's not gonna be that exciting, is it? Come on, give us a 25. And then give me the alert I want. Pretty please. Ah! I knew it would do this! I knew it would do this! Fuck's sake. That's how it be. I used all my luck on Tuesday. Apparently I did really good gacha luck on Tuesday. So that's where all my luck went today. 30 seconds doesn't feel that long when you can physically see it, you know. 30 seconds when you couldn't see it physically felt really long. Now the next pop-up is going to be exactly the same, or a thief. It's not going to be the one I want, because that's how the universe goes. Yeah, fucking thieves! That's what... God damn it. How annoying. Come on, give me what I want, please. Maybe it could be like a secret ending. Dying of debt is like a secret ending way to finish this game. Nice debt, we've got debt. It's fine! There's no such code that can punish me yet. So we're fine. I can just sit here being in debt. I need 10 debt. 10 currency that I still haven't decided on yet. I don't know what our currency should be. I still haven't figured that out. Obviously gold's like the obvious one, but that's boring. What other metals or precious things could we use? Could we just have like a gem system? No, we can't have a gem system because that's literally what we're selling. We're selling crystals and shit that we find in the thing. At the gambling room sometime. Living the American dream in debt. Heck yeah. No, I don't know. Coupons. Trying to think this world's culture and stuff. What they would value. You gotta go. Well, thank you for coming, Lucas. I will be finishing the stream soon anyway. I'm literally just trying to wait for this event to pop up so that we can... If it doesn't pop up soon, I'm gonna have to force it just so I can test this bloody timer. Because I need to finish the stream soon. Fancy won't let me. Yeah, I'm gonna have to force it. We're gonna have to do some code shenanigans. We'll just do a get alert. We'll force it to be... So if we just make the alert ID 1, then as soon as I get an alert, it will be the one I want. This is where it takes ages for me to get... There it is. Oh no! Yay! It's working. It looks shit. It looks shit, but it's working, and that's all we care about. We fix the looking shit later. But now that's not working. I'm gonna type in here. Next stream goals. I've done that. I would like to fix box behind. Need to get box ID to destroy. So we need to be able to do that. I'd also like to do message boxes for flavor text. Flavor text. And then we'll be looking into second phase stuff. Okay, but that is all we have for today. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming. Thank you, everyone in chat. Thank you, everyone who lurked. Thank you, everyone watching the VOD. Thank you, everyone who gave me some extra help. It's always very helpful to have some people who are on a more knowledgeable level. I had a lot of fun today. If you have not already, I would highly appreciate it if you would leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you're on YouTube. And if you're on Twitch, if you give the channel a cheeky little follow, I'll be back with more coding next week if you enjoyed it today. If you would like, if you're interested in my game development, I guess, I have already made one game. It was called Little Red and the Baba Yaga. It is available on itch.io for, I believe, like $3.99. It is a visual novel with, like, how many endings did I put in again? Like 60 endings or so in there. It's almost fully voiced by me. So if you like my voice, it's always a good place to go too. There are other ways you can support me. You can do my YouTube memberships, where I need to go get my notes for what you get, because I have the brain of a sieve. Look, my notes! This stream's always dangerous, always dangerous. Where you can get emotes, exclusive streams, Discord channel, and merch discounts. There's the Patreon, where you can get short stories, exclusive stream, merch discounts, and free books. There is the Kofi shop, where if you like my emotes, you can commission me to draw them. And there are small audiobooks in the Kofi shop. There is finally the merch store, where you can get ebooks, first edition copies of books that I've written, notebooks, a pillow, and very soon some lovely handmade crafts. But not quite yet. Very soon though. However, I'll be back on Sunday now. We're going to go back to the Wuthering Heights, see what more chaos Heathcliff gets up to. We're not far off the end of the book, actually. But don't worry if you haven't been keeping up. I always try to give recaps and some context as to what's going on. So if you like my voice and you would like to hear me reading some literature, then come back on Sunday. But until then, I had fun. I hope you had fun. This has been Briony Roasted. This has been Briony Roasted, live in the Forbidden Library. Goodbye.